In Jesuit education, there's a saying that contact has to come before concepts. You have to actually experience real-world problems before you can really begin to understand why you're studying what you're studying. We make sure that students are active in pursuing internship opportunities, co-op opportunities, and directed research. And so to get outside of the classroom and really engage is something that we're quite passionate about. We have a range of study abroad options. We probably send students to over 30 different countries in any given academic year. And I think they come back with new ideas and greater personal motivation.
At St. Joseph's University, one of our premier programs is our service learning program, which allows you to connect the classroom to real specific and direct issues and problems in the real world. It allows you to learn in a hands-on way and in a deeper way. So our service learning program allows you to take advantage of Philadelphia and the many opportunities that service can allow for you to understand more deeply what you're learning in the classroom.